In today's video, I am going to show you how to write CPA marketing content. So the first thing you need to do is offer something valuable. So watch this video until the end. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click on the notification. Now you can find something valuable that they offer for free. We can find these valuable things on IDPLR. So you should go to free products, and here you can find free video courses that you can offer, and here you can see all the video courses available, or you can simply type in your main keyword here. For example, I want to present something on weight loss. I simply type it and then click OK. Here you can get the video about weight loss. I want to use this here. You can get it for free. All you have to do is click download. But we won't, because it's big file and it takes a lot of time. So the next thing you need to do is to host this video course somewhere. I suggest using uploadforever.com. You can host anywhere, but the reason I recommend this website is because when you come here, you can see that it pays you up to $7 per 1,000 downloads, which is not that much money, but it doesn't matter, because the amount of money it will be extra for you. But you are promoting the successful video courses, so you can earn some extra money. So what you need to do is to open a free account on this site, then click on upload file, and here you have to click on select file. But as I said, it is a big file, so I don't do it. But since this is an educational video, we have uploaded a sample file here, which is not a video file. After uploading, you must copy the HTML from here. So the next thing you need to do is to create a bridge page. Bridge page on site like ClickFunnels or System.io. Do anywhere you want, but I'm talking that most of you will really use Google site. We make a page using the Google site. You can change the site by changing the header and add image here, and we will add the image of the product we have here. Actually, when you download the product from this site, the posters of the product will be provided to you, so you don't need to look for a photo of this product on Google. Here you can also add the title. What you need to do is type something like this here and make the front bridger. Then what you need to do is go back to this site and paste this code. Now we need to create a content locker, which you can do is any CPA marketing network you want, but for this purpose I will actually use CPAGrip, and what we need to do is create one content locker from here. From this section we select the desired format, and you can choose one of these formats. For example, since most of the traffic I am taking about is from mobile phones and smartphones, we can choose one of them. This one looks pretty good. When we generally click here, we can make some changes, but you don't really need to do anything here, and all we have to do is just click here and save, and the item code get the comment here, and we will go back to the Google sites, edit it and place it in this section, so you can see what it actually looks like. And here is ask the audience to complete a survey to unlock this content. There are currently no survey for me because I don't live in the United States, so this survey is not being shown to me. All you have to do is click publish here. Now you need to drive traffic to this page, one of the best places out there, and you can generate targeted traffic for free. Is actually forms. You can use findfrom.net to find forms in any niche. In addition to, for example, when you click on the parts of the form, you will find widgets that you can use from these forms. You must register in all the forms, and you must participate in these forms every day. Just start participation in any of these forms every day. Also, you can see in the signature that there are already many people in these forms are active. As I said, what you need to do is start contributing to these forms every day, and you need to add your link in your signature link to the Google page site where you promote your content shelf. And as I said, if do this every day, trust me, you will get a lot of clicks, and people will start visiting your Google page, and people will start completing the survey, and you will start making money. And you should also join the forums, join another. The more forums you join, the more forums you engage, the more free targeted traffic you send, and the more you start earning more and more money. So a method of locking down marketing content CPA is for 2023. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to channel and click on the notification bell smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next videos.